To perform the evaluation for an entire train, we click on Train Evaluation. Here we can again select a project, choose the desired travel purpose distributions, and again select the graphics we want to display. And we can select the trains we want to compare with each other. As with the layout evaluation, we have the option of defining all doors on one side of the carriage or on the other side of the carriage, or selecting doors individually. You can also specifically select only those graphics for which you can choose specific doors for comparison. This gives you the option of comparing all individual doors with each other, even across different trains. We now select all doors on one side and then click on the areas in the train for which luggage storage capacity or seat usability is to be displayed. The advanced properties are also available here, as shown in the layout evaluation. Once all selections and all additions have been made, we click on Analysis again to generate the analysis data in a zip folder. If the evaluation is carried out for an entire train, the following subfolders are available in the downloaded zip folder. We again have the baggage folder for all graphics relating to luggage storage. Seat again for all graphics relating to seat usability. Time for all graphics relating to passenger changeover time, either in cumulative or absolute form. As an example, we can see here the representation of the time values for the entire train, from the individual doors of the first carriage to the last carriage, and can also see which doors will allow passengers to board and alight more quickly and which doors in the train formation are the weak points. Under Layouts, we again have the layouts of the individual selected carriages available, and there is also a file called Train Order, which shows the order of the carriages.